Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Square invoices for sales tax reporting. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Square account on your computer. Navigate to the Invoices section from the dashboard. Once in the Invoices section, you will see a list of all your invoices. Identify the time period for which you need to backup invoices for sales tax reporting. Use filters to narrow down the invoices by date. Select the invoices you want to backup by clicking on the checkbox next to each one. If you want to select all invoices for the specific period, click the checkbox at the top of the list. After selecting the invoices, look for the Export button located at the top right corner. Click on the Export button. Choose the preferred format for your backup file, typically CSV or PDF. Once you have selected the format, click on Download. Your files will begin downloading, and you can monitor the progress. After the download completes, locate the file in your computer's Downloads folder. Open the exported file to ensure all invoices are accurately included. For better organization, create a dedicated folder for your sales tax reports. Move the downloaded file into the folder. Make a habit of regularly backing up your invoices to stay up to date with your records. Consider adding a reminder on your calendar to perform this backup monthly or quarterly. This will help you maintain accurate records for your sales tax reporting needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.